Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to play video. An error occurred while loading a higher quality version of this video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution number 1. Enable favorite for video and disable it. Simply open the video, toggle on favorites, toggle off favorites. Now try to play the video. Solution number 2. Turn on cellular data for photo app. You can do this by going to settings and tap cellular mobile data, scroll down and find photos and enable photos under mobile or cellular data. Solution number 3. Import the video into iMovie and try to play this video. Solution number 4. Turn off and turn on iCloud photos. To do this, go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on photos. Under photos, turn off iCloud photos and tap download photo and video. Now wait for a couple of minutes and turn it on back. Now we go for solution number 5. Force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. And also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. After force restart, we go for solution number 6. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 7. Select download and keep originals for photos. For that, go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on photos. Now enable iCloud photos and select download and keep original. Solution number 8. Check iPhone storage. To check that, first go to settings, then tap general and tap iPhone storage and make sure that you have enough free space. If not, delete some apps that not in use. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.